In this episode, I am going to make chocolate eclairs using my leftover mix that I used to make my churros. So the same mix I use for the churros, I'm going to use the same to make my chocolate eclairs. Okay, let's start baking. First of all, I'm going to prepare my tins, and I'm just going to put baking paper on the side. So I had leftover pastry, and I'm going to use it for the chocolate eclairs, but I will link the same recording so you can get the same ingredients. I haven't done a new one. This is the same mix that I used, so I'm going to use it for our eclairs. So the baking tins are ready. Again, I'm going to use the Ziploc bag. I don't have the proper icing bags yet. Just make do with what you have. This is what I'm using. I'm going to put it in a cup for now, and we will transfer our mix into the bag. Let's cut the end of our bag. Going to just push out that much and cut with your knife. Edges down a little bit, and there you go. Start with that. Preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius, and we will bake these for about 15 to 20 minutes, but we will keep checking because sometimes my oven gets really hot, so we'll keep checking. And the same thing with your oven too. We all have different ovens, so we'll keep checking our eclairs in case they burn. I would say 15 to 20 minutes and then check, and if you need to leave it in the oven a bit longer, go ahead and do that, everyone. Okay, so I will bake these and I will show you, and I'll do the rest and show you at the end. But I'm just making do with what I have. Hopefully soon I'll be able to get some good equipment, but these Ziploc bags are still doing the job. Will it matter when it's cooked and we add the rest of the ingredients? I don't think so, so just be happy with what you have, Mills. Our Ziploc bags. Thank you and thank you. Okay, let's wet our hands. I'll wet my hands and just decorate that a little bit. Once we add the chocolate sauce and the cream to our eclairs, the size and the shapes won't matter at all. Alright guys, be right back. Our first tray is cooked now. It's been cooking for about 30 minutes exactly. So like I said in the beginning, our ovens are different, so for my one, I cooked it for about 30 minutes exactly. I have my second tray in the oven. There we go. Okay, let's prepare our cream. Just add 1 bottle of cream here, 600 mils, and about a couple of tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, let's give it a good whisk. I've just got a frosting bag here. I will empty it to my bowl. I need 2 tablespoons of butter. And I'm just going to add 2 tablespoons of milk. I will slowly mix it in. I'll just make a hole in the middle of my eclairs, just like that. Let's start filling them with our cream. So I've got a little tool here that will make it easy for me to insert our cream. Might take some time, but just have to manually add the cream in there. Start with this one. Okay, I'll fill up the rest of our eclairs and then I'll come back and show you. Okay, so I'll fill up our cream puffs with cream. Just going to add our icing now. Families and friends, our eclairs. Our next step is we will sprinkle some of them with our crushed peanuts. And we will leave the rest just like that. Like I said in the beginning, don't worry about what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. The icing and cream will fix up everything in the end. It will look and taste just as beautiful. So there's our baking, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. Let me taste one quickly. Let's taste this little one here. Leave them in the fridge. And that's our baking, everyone. Excuse me. Thank you for tuning in, and thank you for baking with Mills. Take care, be safe out there, and please don't forget to subscribe if you like my videos, and share it with your families and friends so you don't miss out on more videos I'll be posting in the future. Stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.